Imagine two people. Same age, same effort, same job. They wake up at the same time, they work just as hard. But 10 years later, one is struggling, the other is wealthy. Why? Most people say luck, talent, or hard work, but the real reason is much quieter. A system. A system that quietly pushes money toward people who already have it. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Let's start simple. There are two ways to make money. One, you work for it. Time in, money out. The other, you own things, assets that make money while you sleep. Most people are taught only the first way. Work hard, get paid, save a little. But the system rewards the second way far more because money likes to sit next to money. If money had a personality, it would be lazy. Let's follow both characters. Character A earns a salary. Most of it goes to rent, food, bills. What's left? Not much. They save, but savings grow slowly, sometimes not at all, because inflation quietly eats them. Character B also earns money, but they already own assets, shares, property, businesses. When prices rise, their assets rise too. And when they borrow cheaply, because the system trusts people who already have money. The system doesn't ask who works harder, it asks who already owns something. Now, here's the most important part: compounding. Small advantages stack up. Money earns money, which earns more money, year after year. Character B's wealth snowballs, while Character A starts from zero every year. No compounding, just repetition. It's not about intelligence or effort, it's about starting position. The system protects that position through tax rules, asset prices, and access to credit, quietly, legally, every day. The game feels fair until you realize not everyone starts at the same line. So what's the lesson? The system isn't broken, it's doing exactly what it was designed to do. Reward ownership, access, and time in the market, not just time at work. Understanding this doesn't mean giving up. It means playing smarter, learning how money moves, how systems work, and where you fit inside them. Because once you see the system, you stop blaming yourself and you start asking better questions. If this helped you understand money a little better, you're in the right place.